Korean rice water has been a well-kept beauty secret in Korean skincare routines for centuries due to its skin-beneficial properties. This simple yet effective DIY recipe is packed with nutrients that can help you achieve a glowing complexion. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY Korean rice cream. You will need 1 teaspoon cooked rice. It contains vitamins such as B1, C, E, as well as minerals that can help minimize pores, tighten skin, reduce fine lines, and also brighten your skin. Rice is rich in antioxidants that kills free radicals and play as UV barrier for the skin, and also makes a great anti-aging ingredient. Add 1 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E for skin is rich in antioxidants and moisturizing qualities. It can be used in creams and lotions to cure sunburn and peeling. The key is to use these products twice a day, especially in the summer and rainy seasons. Mix these ingredients, apply all over your face, leave it for 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with plain water.